This is going to be a demonstration video on the do-it-yourself Peckerhead wood gas pellet stove. And if you want to see how to build it, go to video 1 of the Peckerhead wood gas stove. All it consists of is 2 chambers, inside and outside. On this demonstration, I'm just going to burn 1 cup of wood pellets. Of course, you can burn any kind of biomass materials, sticks, leaves, anything. Wood pellets burn the best. This is a premium grade wood pellet I'm going to be burning. Hardwood. The only changes I've made since video 1, since I'm only burning 1 cup of wood pellets, it only fills the inside chamber to below these center holes, and that's why I have these center holes, so the gasification will occur down at the center holes here. Go to video 1 to see what size holes and everything, but this will burn up to 3 cups of wood pellets. Of course, 3 cups will go below these top. It'll fill it up to about these top holes, so then the gasification occurs up higher. If you're burning 1 cup, it doesn't gasify. It might gasify a little bit to the top holes, but it works better with doing only 1 cup with these, having these center holes here. That's why I put the center holes in. So when I'm burning 1 cup, I use these shorter machine screws to clamp this inner chamber down. They're 1/2 inch long, 6-32 1/2 inch long machine screws. If you want to put 3 cups in, then you can use 1 inch long or 3/4 inch long to get the pot down closer. Using these shorter screws, the pot will sit on the wing nuts right here. You turn them in so your pot will sit here. I'll put this together right now and you can see how it works, but it's just 2 chambers, inside and outside, and then 3 screws. That's it. It's real easy to build. Go to video 1 if you want to see it. This is a demonstration video. Okay, I got it together with the short screws, so as you can see, the pot's going to sit on top of these wing nuts. Turn the wing nuts so they're facing inward towards the center. This is I'm going to boil some water in this video, 4 cups. So if you have to sterilize water, we'll boil 4 cups. The bottom of this pot's about 4 3/4. And it sits on there perfect. Also, what I'm going to do is boil my water, just get it sterilized, and then cook a hamburger. This is made out of all stainless steel, so it's going to last a long time. So you just buy the parts, drill all the holes, you're done. Okay, we have our 1 cup of wood pellets. As you can see, they're just below those center holes, the secondary gasification holes. Best way to light these is with lighter fluid. I have some denatured alcohol here, and just coat the top of the wood pellets, the entire top, just a little bit over the entire top of wood pellets. You don't need much, just enough. You want it evenly distributed so it burns evenly all the way down. Of course, if you don't have alcohol, you'll have to get it lit with some tinder. If you're out in an emergency situation, no alcohol, of course. You'll have to light, if you have to use sticks or leaves or dead grass, then you'll have to get a bundle of dry tinder to light it. Okay, let's light her up. It's lit. We'll start the time and we'll keep track. You might want to let it just warm up for about 30 seconds and then we'll put our water in. There's 4 cups of water. We'll time it to see how long it takes to boil, and then after we get this boiling, I'll cook a hamburger off of 1 cup of wood pellets. "30 seconds, we'll put it on. I'm sitting in the garage. As you can see, there's no smoke at all. The garage door is shut. I'm going to open it up though in a few minutes here. Always use this in a well ventilated area. Carbon monoxide will kill you, so be very careful. It's gasifying through those center holes right now, not at all at the top holes. As it warms up, it'll start burning a lot hotter, but right now we're about 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm going to shut the video off because it'll be pretty boring. It takes about 12 to 15 minutes to get this boiling. I'll come back in about 5-10 minutes. It's been exactly 3 minutes. I just wanted to get a close-up shot of this flame after 3 minutes. See if I can zoom in here. There's a good shot. As you can see, it has a nice burn going right now. Nice gasification. Starting to steam come out of the top. I don't know if you can see it. Right through here you can see the steam. 3 minutes. Okay, we'll come back and add about 5 minutes into it. Okay, we're a little over 5 minutes. As you can see, it's still burning really well. I opened up the garage. It's not boiling. I'm going to use a Boy Scout. Once I get this sterilized, I'm going to use this Boy Scout camp set. It's about the bottom of it's about 5.5 inches, and it sits on there perfect. And we'll cook a hamburger after we get the water done. It's starting to hiss. About 6 minutes into it. We'll come back in a little bit here. Okay, it's been 8 minutes and I got a nice rolling boil. We'll let it boil for a couple minutes just to get it good and sterilized. Let me grab a glove so I might be able to take it off to show you the boil. Just have to take my word, you can see it steaming out the top. Well, it quit boiling as soon as I took it off, but it's boiling. Seems to be burning a lot hotter this time for some reason, maybe because of the environmental conditions. We're at 9 minutes. It's been boiling for a couple minutes. We'll put the camp set on and get our burgers going. It's already sizzling really well. This is where some longer screws might be better for cooking, so you can get that away from that flame just a little bit. It's cooking good. We'll come back. I'll shut her down and come back in a couple more minutes. Put a piece of tin foil so she cooks. Before I was getting about a half hour. Seems to be burning a little faster this time, so I might not get quite a half hour out of 1 cup of pellets. We'll see. 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, it's been a little over 13 minutes. I'll flip the burger. It's really sizzling. A little bit burnt. Cooking a little hot, so you can hold it up a little above the flame so it don't cook so hot. It's been almost 14 minutes. Ain't gonna take, you could probably cook a couple, two or three hamburgers. We'll see how long this burns. Okay, there's the hamburger. I cut it in half and nice and well done. After, about 16 minutes. I'll put the water back on now and see how long it takes to burn the wood pellets down to nothing. It's been almost 20 minutes. Still got a good flame going. And the water is rolling boil. We'll just let her go till it burns out to see how long these pellets burn. 21 minutes. I just wanted to give you a shot down inside, see the gasification coming out those center holes. Ooh, that's, I don't want to burn the camera, but you can see that's with no lid and it's already boiling again. Okay, we're at about 23 minutes, 30 seconds almost. Still going strong. I just took the lid off and so you can tell it's still boiling real well. "25 minutes. Still going strong. Water's still bubbling. There's no smoke whatsoever. I'm sitting in the garage. Of course, I have the garage open. You don't want to do it in a closed garage. "26 minutes. Almost 29 minutes. From previous testing, I'd get about 30 minutes out of 1 cup. 2 cups, you get about an hour. 3 cups, you get about an hour and a half, of course. And that's off premium hardwood wood pellets. "29 minutes. Kind of wanted to show this. It is so hot inside of this chamber that now it's actually gasifying out the upper holes. I just started doing that after we're at 30 minutes and it's still burning good. So you can see how efficient this is. It's getting a double burn. It's starting to fluctuate a little bit now. That's the best test I've had so far. Gasifying out of those top holes really nicely. Just burning every bit of smoke. There isn't any smoke whatsoever. The water's still boiling. 31 minutes. Looks like it's starting to die down a bit. See if I can get this on, see when it goes out. Yeah, it's dying down a hair. There it goes. Still going, just a little bit. 31 minutes. All right, there's the official time, 41 seconds. 31 minutes, 41 seconds. 1 cup of wood pellets. It's the do-it-yourself peckerhead stove. Excellent for camping or in an emergency situation. It only weighs 12 ounces by itself. All you need is the 2 chambers. Go to video 1 where I show you where to buy the 2 chambers. I'll show you exactly the ones that you can get. Size holes, the number of holes that I drilled. Thanks for watching, everyone.